Hey guys, just going to run a quick video on the defending structure that we learnt at the training. So first of all, we'll just start off with the position and the way we need to be positioned. So we need to be positioned in a small diamond shape to protect any of those balls coming through the middle. So we can see we have our target up here, we have our two flankers here, and we have our pivot, which is our more defending back player here at the bottom of the diamond. Where the opposition might be standing is if they're in a diamond shape, that they might be in a wider shape. We need to make sure we're in this sort of smaller diamond shape to protect any of those balls, coming straight through the middle. And this shape allows us to move in a unit left and right to protect, that ball coming through to these players. So the move would be if the defending pivot is moving across the back line, left and right, we would then move together as a unit to both protect this pass, or to block this pass, I should say, and to block this pass. This player we see as not being of any threat at the moment, so the key is for this flanker here to be blocking that through ball to the opposition target. And of course his target's defending this player and this flanker is defending this player. If the opposition player moves to the other side, we then move to the other side as a unit, making sure we're protecting any balls being played this side. And that just protects, any kind of movement forward. So the key really is for the pivot, our pivot, to be staying close to the defending target. So this person, which is the defender or the pivot, needs to stay very closely on top of this person, which is their attacking target player. In terms of our target player needs to sit off the defending pivot player, unless over the halfway line, where she can then press a bit harder, coming closer, and make sure that that this player doesn't have any space. But this would occur once over the halfway line. If they're on the other side, if they're in our attacking area, then basically we can afford to sort of sit back. The key here in terms of defending is that if the opposition player is weak, we can push right up on that person, we can really press that person. But if they're a very good player, if they're quick and they're good, then we just need to hang back a bit more and give them a bit more space, with, the strategy being cutting off that player's pass. So that's the main thing, is that, the flankers are moving left and right in alignment with the ball, and, their role is to sort of block those balls coming through forward. So I think that was it for the week, and we will move on to the next topic next week. Okay, see you guys.